So I'll be showing you how to use voice typing on your iPhone keyboard. Now, for this tutorial, I'm using the iPhone 14 Pro, but it's the same instructions for previous iPhones. So whether you're in messages or writing notes or wherever it is that you're using a keyboard, you can actually tap on the microphone icon that's normally down here to type and use your voice to actually type, which is what is called voice typing, or as the iPhone likes to call it, dictation. So in case you're not seeing the microphone icon here, like me, what you need to do is go into settings. Just go to the main settings page. On the main settings page, you want to go to general, tap on that, and then under general, look for keyboard, tap on that, and then under keyboard, look for enable dictation. Make sure that is turned on, and then confirm to enable dictation. Now with enable dictation turned on, you can now go back to wherever it is you were using the keyboard, and now you should see a microphone icon. Now all you need to do is tap on the microphone icon once, and it's going to start listening and typing for you what you're saying with your voice. So here's an example. I'm currently using voice typing on my iPhone to type this note. Full stop. This is good stuff. When you're done, just tap on the keyboard icon, and as you can see, that has typed for me using voice typing. So you can use this when typing messages, when you're chatting, or when you're writing something in Google Docs or whatever it is that you're using the keyboard on. You can actually use voice typing, your voice to type. The feature is called dictation on the iPhone. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.